In this section, we're going to be taking the Pythagorean theorem up to the next level by taking it into some word problems. So Carol bikes 1 kilometer east, 4 kilometers north, and 5 kilometers east again. So her total distance that she travels is 1, and then 4, and then 5. And then it's asking how far is Carol from her starting position. So I know she traveled a total of 10 kilometers, but that's not the distance that she is from her starting position. This blue line would represent that distance. So what is that distance to the nearest tenth? Now, originally when I did this problem, I was thinking, hey, I see two little triangles here. But the problem is we don't know this length. We know the total length is 4, but we don't know this small length here and that length there. So what I'm going to do, that I started thinking about this, is you can kind of drag, you can picture dragging this corner right here and dragging it over there. And what would the shape be? Well, the shape would be like this. We'd have this, which would have the distance of 4, just like it is across from it. And then we would have right here the distance of 5 that's across from it. And this would be a right triangle. And that blue dashed line is the hypotenuse. This is much easier now to deal with. So this total length here is 1 plus 5, so that would be 6. So all the way across, because don't forget right here is 1. So this distance, let me pick a different color because we already have a blue line there. So this distance across, this distance is 6. So using the Pythagorean theorem, we'll have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, what's the hypotenuse in this case? The hypotenuse in this case is the value that we're looking for. So our hypotenuse is, we're just going to call it x, because our unknown in this question. And then a could be 6, b could be 4. 36 plus 16 equals x squared. 36 plus 16 is going to be 42, 52. And then square root both sides. So our distance is the square root of 52. Now we could break down that square root, but fortunately they're just saying put this in the calculator and round it to the nearest tenth. So square root of 52 is 7.2 to the nearest tenth.